How's it going? It's Friday night. Got the S14 loaded up on the trailer. Just got it all tied down. Ready for first thing tomorrow morning, where we will be driving up to Mary to the Genesis Massive Drift Park, where I'll be doing my first ever learner day. So it'll be my first time drifting on a track. I can't wait. It's going to be epic. So we've got our tyres loaded up on top. We've got a brand new set on the car, one new set up on the rack, and two half-worn sets. So that should be ample amount of tyres for tomorrow. Well, it is currently raining, so fingers crossed it dries up by tomorrow, so we're not just sliding around everywhere. Big thanks to Justin and the team down at Bajent Motors Matamata. So they sorted our wheel alignment out for us today. So I basically came up with some specs and they managed to chuck them on the car for us, which was really cool. So on the front of the car, our camber is 2 degrees and 50 minutes. Our caster is 7 degrees and 30 minutes. And our tow out is 5 minutes. And then onto the rear, our camber is 1 degree and 10 minutes, and our tow in is 10 minutes. So I figured that would be a good starting point for us. And I also got them to raise the car up a bit because it was super low before, and for a learner it's probably not ideal because I might not be able to stay on the track the whole time, guys. But nah, I'm absolutely pumped. Can't wait to get onto the track with this beast. All the hard work will have finally paid off to go and actually use it. So I guess I'm going to head off home now and get some sleep, and we'll see you guys first thing in the morning. So yeah, the car's absolutely filthy. We're going to take it off the trailer, give it a quick wash. Brought half the bank home with me. I think I backed into the bank about 3 or 4 times and smacked into one of the tyres, but not too much damage. It's pretty good day. So the only hiccups we had was the coils. I think one of the coils is giving it a misfire, and it was running on 3 cylinders most of the time. So we'll get some new coils and hopefully that sorts out the problem, because it's got brand new plugs and brand new wiring harness, so it's none of those. So last thing must be the coils.
Wait, what?
You gonna help Dad wash the car, Blake?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Get your earmuffs on, ready to go?
Yeah.
Water blaster's a bit noisy, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is my dad. He's just tapping this car to get the stand, and yeah. So yeah. And this is the wriggling thing. I really want to stop it.
What are the wheels, Blake?
Quiet.
Tyres? What about them?
I'm washing them.
You're washing them? Are they pretty dirty?
Yeah.
Oh, did Daddy get them all dirty?
Yes.
Why did Daddy get them dirty?
Cause
What?
it wasn't staying on the track.
Oh. So I had an absolute blast of a day yesterday with this beast. Thanks very much to Sky and the team at the Genesis Massive Drift Park. Learnt so much yesterday and can't wait to get back out there again. But at least we had a bash guard. Could have been a lot worse. Might end up taking that big HKS muffler off and making a little bit of a dump pipe under the rear diff there, or just straight pipe out the back, just in case I do back into the bank again. We're not destroying a very nice HKS muffler. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Probably in 2 weeks time we'll be having another track day, I think. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Hit the like button if you like what you're seeing, and subscribe.